Welcome to my dear students. Today we discuss about types of research. There are number of types of research. They are first one, descriptive research. Descriptive research, surveys and fact-finding inquiries of different kinds. The purpose is the description of the state of affairs as it existed in present. It is also known as ex post facto research. In descriptive research, researcher has no control over the variables. He can only report what has happened or what is happened. Next, there are 4 subdivisions for descriptive research. They are survey research, the case study, correlational study, comparative study. Next, analytical research. It is an in-depth study and evaluation of available information in an attempt to explain complex phenomena. The researcher has to use facts or information already available and analyze these to make a critical evaluation of the material. There are 4 subdivisions of analytical research. They are historical research, philosophical research, review, research synthesis. Next, applied research. It is a finding solution to an immediate problem. This research aimed to find social or political trends that may affect particular institution. Is an example of applied research. There are 2 types, marketing research and evaluation research. Next, basic or pure or fundamental research is concerned with the generalizations and with the formulation of a theory. The examples of basic research are natural phenomena and mathematics. In this case, finding information that has a broad base of application. Next, quantitative research is based on measurement of quantity or amount. Weighing, measuring are the examples of quantitative research. Next, qualitative research. It is related to quality or kind. Character, personality, and mankinds are the variables that are used to measure qualitative research. Word association test, sentence test, these are used for measuring the qualitative research. Next, conceptual or experimental research. It relates to some abstract idea or theory. In this case, develop new concepts or to reinterpret the existing ones. It is an attempt to establish cause and effect relationship. Next, non-scientific methods. First one, the rationalistic method. In this case, derive knowledge through reasoning. Second one, empirical method. It describes data or a study that is based on objective observation. It relies on observation or experience capable of being verified by experiment. Next, other types of research based on time. It is classified into cross-sectional research, longitudinal research, based on environment. 2 types, field research, laboratory research. Next, clinical or diagnostic research, case study or in-depth approach. Next, exploratory research. It is a development of hypothesis, not a hypothesis testing. Next, formalized research. It is a substantial structure and with a specific hypothesis to be tested.